Got a new dash cam for Crawdad. Botslab. Botslab. We got the old Botslab here, boys.
I'd have to get that other guy.
Yeah, we'll probably have to take that off. You can use that to just hang your dingleberry or something, you know?
Dingleberry?
Yeah. There. I'm not used to having a fillet of fish on me. Let's see what we got. Oh, I got a little paper towelette. Nice. Oh, it's even got an SD card. Well, this one comes with an SD card even. Oh, it even comes with a little applicator, so you can tuck your shit all up in there. Well, we unboxed it there. We got all the trinkets. Oh, I'll show you in a sec, I suppose. Yeah, that's not good.
Plus, there looks like a spot right there too, or something. Whatever that is. Or is that just a shadow?
This?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
it's
like a
just
bump.
shadow.
Oh, look at that. This is Crawdad's where I get my luck from. Look at this, boys. The back tail light's got to be leaking, like for a minute too. Oh my god, that's got to be where it's coming from. Fault the manufacturer situation. You just hold that roughly into the center of the windshield.
Oh, I know. You think it'd be somewhere about there? Somewhere?
Side here. At least we're getting some sort of a shot rather than just the back of your shirt.
Can I move that? Stand in front of it?
If you need to, I suppose. Wouldn't hurt. Just trying to make a movie. Set it all up, and then when you come back tomorrow or something, I'll just take the SD card out of it, put it in my thing, try to get some footage of you driving here or whatever. So, because I gotta make a video about this camera. Oh, that's good.
Centered, and then the cord's going to be down below the guy.
Oh man, well, sakes. When I told you to put the cord where you had room, what did you think I was talking about? Like, for sakes. It's got to go over here, you don't have enough room. And it's got to go this way.
No, it's got to go this way.
Right.
But the cord's on the bottom. The cord should be...
Put the cord up here then.
Oh, for Christ's sake.
What happened?
I don't know.
Oh. Everything was going so good. I got that f***ing interior tore apart in Crawdad's truck. Oh, dear.
What is that?
Close now. Probably something like that, maybe. What the fuck? Oh, trazzled now. Wires here. Probably just tug it from in the middle there. Just pull some slack out right where I got it exposed.
More?
Yeah, well, as much as you need.
Oh, I don't know how much I need.
Oh, I should have lots here, so I don't think you needed too much. 6 inches, foot. We can pull that down, and we can just stuff the access up in here. Nice. Oh yeah, that was way easier than trying to force it past the speaker with the stabby thing and just charging up the wire. Terrible. Get the film off the lens of the camera and stab her on there. We're gonna have to
Gotta assume this thing's the center, right?
yeah.
So how's that? Pretty good?
It's pretty square. Can probably rotate it down. Yeah, there you go. Even more, probably a little bit. Yeah, that'll be good. And then you got you know, beside your box too. If somebody wants to crash into the side of your box, right? You'll have it on the movie. Hard to see with the sun and the beknownst, but I'll put the link in the prescription, of course. We'll get some footage. Then people can really saunt us you coming. They'll be like, oh yeah, we're on a movie.
Oh, camera. You need it in view or anything? You got.
There we go. There you go. There you go. Isn't that crazy? You took your camera knew what website we were going to. It's the download app. Install. Way easier than the other one. What's this? Not now. We don't want any of that. Open. Oh, not yet. Hold on. 25%.
47.
So this guy's got
61.
It's got 4K front, 2K rear camera. 4Ks. That's a lot of Ks for the front. Very clear. And the front camera is 170 degrees and the back camera is 150 degrees.
No blind spots. Up to 6 lanes covered.
It's got a f1.5 aperture and a 2.45 inch screen. You hit same.
That's a what?
A 2.5 inch screen. 2.45 inch.
Oh, almost 2.5 inches.
Yeah. You hit same. No blind spots, up to 6 lanes covered, even clear at night. Test in various scenarios. Dusk till dawn. Rain, snowy, sunny.
Oh,
This is all these symbols are weird. I don't
probably
know
at
what
home on Karen's computer.
You should throw this phone in the garbage and get an iPhone, and then I could help you out. This is just nonsense.
If I had your kind of money, I would throw this right in the garbage fucking now. And then I would have the state of the art 2025.
Okay, well this is half took apart now, so I'll get on to something else here quick.
What happened?
Well, I got the transmission half took apart after I half installed the friggin' clutch and brake pedal in this truck, and then I half did something else. How old was I when I got diagnosed with ADHD?
Oh, I don't know.
Come on.
Probably pretty young.
I was a little guy?
I guess. I don't know. I don't know anything about HSD.
Woo! Oh, that's a good one. Holy shit. What happened to you? You just hear whistling?
I just hear crickets.
Oh, yeah, Nelson's got that too, eh? He got the crickets in his ear or whatever, just squeaking, creaking noise all the time. That's good.
I don't know what it is. Had it all my life, I don't know.
Crawdad, I was trying to set up his dash cam yesterday, and he, oh man, he just kept going on and on and on while I was right in the middle of trying to think about stuff. I had to give him stern talks. Like, real bad a little bit. You had like 6 clips or something that you didn't write over, the rest was all parking lot. So that's why we need the take that fuse and switch it. You want to do that?
Oh, it doesn't matter to me. I'm
I'll
in
show
no
you.
hurry.
Oh, I thought I'd show you. Look at it! Look at him go there. Just partying. Just gunning it too. Holy, where's the cops? Why are you going so
I
fast?
didn't even gunning it. I had her set for 95.
Oh, that looks pretty quick. Look how fast the trees and shit are going by. Yeah, you got Ozzy Osbourne or something going. You're just in there partying something terrible. Holy
I'm just
shit.
listening to music.
Holy.
I didn't realize it had sound. What if I was telling somebody goof?
Right? Oh, you're screaming and yelling at somebody going slow as around school buses, just mowing children's down and stuff. Okay, but we gotta claw the whole side of your dash off.
What do you gotta do?
Oh, up in
Oh,
here.
my dash off.
Yeah, up in here, so here, claw that off. Yeah, I don't know, it should just pop off there though. Normally, yeah. Oh, Crawdad heard me just busting it, now he's all mad. But that's how it comes off, it's just really hard. Like you can see the fuse thing back there. You just need like a spatula. Do you still have my spatula in here? Oh, holy f***.
Broken. Oh, we lost something. A whole bunch of something. Oh, there's a white one right here.
Holy shit. That's a little aggressive, isn't it? Here, where's the camera? I gotta show these guys so that they know stuff.
Did you make sure those fuses fell in the right spot over there, or do they do nothing?
They were in the lid.
Yeah, they just spares?
Yeah. So this guy here, see how it's got an extra tusk? So you just gotta pull it out and move it over one tusk, and then the camera will go out whilst still plugged in. It's like an on-off. So we just need, where is it? This guy here. So we can take that guy there, put it around that guy there, tear it out. Oh, move it over one chooch. Put that back. And then you got your key. See, it went out, right? And then we put the key in the guy and the guy on the guy, and then that'll turn on your, so that's it right there. Move that 50 amp fuse over. And yeah. No power when key is off. Nice, we did it. We did it, boys. But this is a little bit, gonna be skewed with the, oh, it goes on there pretty nice. It's just the coming off part that you really gotta just hammer. Oh, did it get must? Fucking
Scratched all over that shit.
fuck's sakes. Bring it around back. Here, let's see. See if I can get the shot. Is there a light that comes on or something?
I don't know, I haven't turned it on yet. You want to turn it on?
Yeah, turn it on and see.
That's enough
Start
of that.
recording.
Turns on big time. Oh, started recording. There we go. Decent. Key on mod. Or key off mod. I don't know what we just called it. Power train modular mod. Scores! Decent. Crawdad's all set up with the dash cam. Just need a little couple sticky things for the wire in the back maybe or something.